What's up, beautiful? Welcome back to another video. We're in our favorite spot right now. See, I don't want to terrorize this guy right here. I love these freaking cars. I hope all you guys doing good, man. I hope all you guys grinding out. Hope all you went to church today, man. Today's Sunday. Dude, make sure you guys stay consistent at church, bro, because you never know when your last day is, man. Okay, now I gotta go sports trans because street trans a little boring. Yeah, so I'm gonna be riding suspension. I'm gonna be riding custom more because I've noticed that my trans, I don't like running track trans. I'd rather run sport, but the traction control on track is like, sport and track is perfect, but sport, dude, it'd be slipping. It'd be slipping at high gears. It's sketch. Dude, even with track mode, like track mode stops me from slipping out. Bro, one time I was driving in the rain, it wasn't even that wet, bro. I slipped like instantly. I lost all control. Luckily, it was on a big road, so I was chilling, but still, dude, it's just sketch. Man, it's bright today, bro. Let's see my miles per gallon on this thing. 11? Not bad. For how I've been driving this thing, not bad at all. My LED steering wheel, I'm actually gonna connect it today. Yeah, the reason why I don't connect the steering wheel every time, boys, because it legit drains my battery. Oh yeah. Dude, I love muscle cars, bro. What I really want next is a Corvette. Yo, I be slipping, dude. Fun. Love this thing, dude. It's hot, dude. It's 100 degrees out. Oh my. I'm actually gonna turn on my chiller. That's why I love the Redeye, bro. They got chiller, dude. It makes this thing cool down. That's why I love it. Custom. Let's go back to custom setup. But I hope you guys do good, man. You know, at the end of the day, boys, you gotta keep grinding. Obviously, we're gonna keep talking about grinding out. But at the end of the day, don't forget to enjoy the day, man. Because money comes and goes, bro. Cars comes and goes. I'm gonna tell you right now, bro. Once you get to the level where you can afford a Hellcat freely, you will get used to it. You will. Oh my gosh. You will get used to it, and that's fine. Don't get me wrong. I still love this car, but like that feeling when you finally reach the level where you can afford it and you get used to it, which is normal. So like that feeling where if you guys don't have a Hellcat right now, you feel FOMO. Don't let it eat you up, man, because at the end of the day, it's all gonna pass anyways, man. So like right now I'm at a point right now, bro, because I have an M5, I have a Hellcat. Now I'm at a point where I'm thinking about getting another car, and it's gonna be, obviously the goal is a house, then a car, but I'm thinking about a supercar. So now I'm at the level where I can afford a supercar, right? So the point I'm trying to make right now is like, I'm already getting used to that level, and I'm already at this point like where I used to obsess with these cars. Now it's like, again, I want to go to the next level. I want to go to the next level. So you gotta just be happy where you are, because I know for a fact, even though if you want to get a supercar, like that feeling where it's like, oh, I can finally get it. Eventually, I'm gonna get used to that too. So I've been telling myself recently, what's the point of life? You know, like you get all these nice cars, you do good, you see Christ every day, but like, what's after that? You know, after you do all of that, what's after that? You know what I'm saying? So I think the purpose of like, what's the purpose of life is honestly just seeking Christ, bro, growing relationship with Christ, and doing work for the kingdom, man. Honestly, that's kind of at the point I'm at. At the point I'm at right now. Like, I want to make sure that when I pass away, bro, that I'm making it to heaven, because this life is so vain, and I know that there's more purpose than just obviously getting cars, being successful, having a relationship. You just gotta do stuff for the kingdom, man. That's it. Just build treasures in heaven. I mean, the Bible does say treasures on earth are pretty much like they're gonna disappear. freaking whine. I love that part where it's like it winds after I'm done sending it. The stock intake does not do that, period. Does not at all. That's what I'm saying. Like if you're gonna get a Hellcat battery, everything aftermarket is just better, period. When it comes down to like intake and exhaust, obviously. Don't get me wrong, the stock intake is obviously really good. I mean, I love the whine, bro. I love that freaking whine. I don't, dude. Dude, I've been in an M4, I've been in an M2, been in a Supra, I've been in a freaking pretty much everything almost. Something about the Hellcat is different, man. Yo, low key? Yeah, I'm gonna terrorize this neighborhood for a sec. Dude, I need to tune this thing so I want to shoot. Honestly, boys, I'm trying to go all out soon. See, with the business, dude, I have to reinvest. I'm reinvesting everything. So I'm right now, I'm not spoiling myself at all. It's been like, the past 6 months have been probably like, I mean, probably the most humbling months ever, bro. I have literally pulled no money out. So practically, I'm basically working for free, which I'm totally cool with. I'm not tripping. I just love how like I'm able to work so hard and I don't see any of the money. It's actually, I'm so proud of myself to be able to do that. M2 right there. Tiny, the M2s are tiny. Oh, honestly, bro, M2 completely boosted. It sounds freaking legendary. It's an M3, bro. Oh my gosh, why is there so many cars out? Mostly just Beamers, bro. I'm gonna be honest. There's so many freaking BMWs recently, I've been seeing. I'm pushing this car to the limit, bro. It's hot today, so it's going through every single phase right now. Gosh, I hope you guys are enjoying this ASMR. This is so satisfying right now. Oh my goodness. Those shifts are so nasty. I love them. I love it. I wasn't talking the whole entire time for you boys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. You know, guys, I make these videos, honestly, I know probably like nobody pretty much cares, which totally fine with. I do this because honestly, bro, I can't wait to look back 10 years from now. Because right now, like before I even had, like go back 2 years ago, I didn't have the business that I do now. Obviously, you guys don't see much of a change because I haven't been putting any money into the channel, obviously, because I need to invest and use smart my money. But as you can tell, like I haven't spent any of my money, so you see no change. But in my personal life, everything's changing right now. So it's kind of cool, like I can look back, you know, from the future, like especially my future kids can see all my videos that I posted and how, like, what I talked about. So I guess, like, I'm making these videos for, like, my future self and my future kids, because to be successful, bro, you have to have God in play, and then obviously you got to work hard. But at the end of the day, you got to still enjoy life, bro, because all of this is vain. But I'm trying to live a good life. That's the thing. I mean, the Bible clearly talks about working hard, bro. The Bible literally says a little slumber there, a little slumber here, a little slumber there, poverty will come, something. Basically, it's saying if you're lazy, like, poverty will come. So don't be freaking lazy. I love the wine. So I hope all you guys doing good, man. Like I said, at the end of the day, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, if you want to be able to own cars like this without having a business or whatever the case might be, blue collar is the way, but it's hard. I mean, blue collar is humbling, bro. I'm gonna be honest, like the first 2 years are so rough, and if you can get through that phase, bro, you become a freaking beast. Like, I'm so thankful to get through that phase. That phase was so hard, bro. I remember I was like so discouraged because it was so hard and there's so much to learn. I'm like, how am I ever gonna get there? And it just, I love it, man. I'm so thankful, man, that I just pushed through, and I'm so happy. For the past 2 years I've been saying the same thing, because that's what I've been trying, that's what I've been having to tell myself every day, bro. Like, to actually be consistent and disciplined, bro, you have to, like, constantly gaslight yourself. Like, you have to constantly, not be gaslight, you gotta just constantly just tell yourself, you know, because at the end of the day, motivation will come and go, bro. It will. There's gonna be exciting jobs, exciting opportunities, but that, once that passes, bro, reality hits, that's gonna make or break you. I mean, I've seen it make or break literally 30-year-olds, almost hitting 40. Like, when I first got this job, bro, I joined a team with 12 guys. 3 of them are left. How hard the job opportunity is. When I see people in their 40s, almost in their 40s, quitting the job because of dumb reasons, like, it's freaking hard. Like, what do you want to do, bro? You want to make money or not? If you don't want to work hard to make money, you gotta get some special education, bro, because you're in the wrong field. So I mean, dude, like, it's honestly such a good feeling, because no one actually gets through here successfully, and people in the 30s are not going through this, bro. The field I'm in, bro, is dying, and the people I've hired even shown me, like, people in their 20s taking things for granted. I love it. I love when I see this, because then it proves my point. I mean, most people are not willing to actually work for it. So people see me in these cars, they see a white boy, they just assume y'all don't put the work in, bro. Having 40 in these cars is cake. My phone's literally about to explode right now because of how hot it is. I'm gonna do one more pull. Woo. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and make sure you guys keep grinding out, keep working hard, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.